So I am in the breaker yard. There's all the wheels they have, and they have tons of cars. I'm standing on a ladder, so I'm not moving about too much. This is an old NB, and what I'm after is this piece of wire and the connector. So fortunately on this car the fender is already off, and as you can see that gives you a lot of access. So on my car, when I will do this trick, fitting everything back, I will also take the fender off, not the door. At least that's the plan for now. So the first thing I did was pry back these boots. This one and this one. This one actually came out with its plastic connector on it. This one I purposely did without the connector. And you can see the prongs with which it's held in. And at the moment it's loose. And it seems loose, but that's because the boot's been taken out. Normally the boot is squeezed between the plastic and the car. I paused the recording there for a minute because a big forklift came by. Noisy diesel forklift. So next thing is to pry out this plastic bit without breaking the tabs. With a small screwdriver and a lot of patience, that should be possible. And then the whole connector, without being disconnected, should come out. So as you can see, the whole connector came out. This is exactly what I wanted. As you can see, this car has been underwater. Everything, there's muck and dirt. But here's something that's supposed to be green. And I should be able to disconnect that. Pull this green part up and then disconnect the connector. So here it is, the green part's been pulled up. Now I should be able to disconnect this part from the part that's connected to the car. So success! I got the whole connector in one piece, all the prongs still as they should be. And I also want the part, this part, and you can pull this out quite a lot, but still that doesn't leave a lot of room. You can cut it from the inside, but there's not a lot of access. Fortunately, I found somewhere back there another NB that had the dash already removed. So I cut this piece with a length of wire from the other car. Now all that's left to do is to pull this unit out as far as I can and cut it as close to the door as I can, so I have long wires to reattach and to mess with. So, job almost done. At least collecting the parts almost done. So here we have both parts. This one came from another car, but I checked it fits. And I'm probably not going to use all the wires. I'm going to use the wires from my car. But anyway, I got more wires than I need, hopefully. That's the idea. So, collection part done. Back home, take the car apart, do this all again, and then try to fit everything together.